Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $50 plus per day while making these short 8 to 10 second videos with this awesome program and software that I'm going to show you that will automate this for you. The great thing about this method, this is $50 to $60 per day, is very much on the low end, and your earning potential is much bigger than that. And you also don't need any special skills to do this. It's super easy to do for beginners, as I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in this video. And this also takes little time to set up. It will take about 1 hour to set up, and then it can become a passive income process that you just need to check in on now and then. And you also don't have to deal with any affiliate products such as refunds or any customer service that can become a pain. So that's great about this method, and this is also worldwide and international, so anybody can participate in this. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn the strategy to earn $50 plus per day doing this, and I will show you the best software to do the strategy that will make it so much easier for you. And not many people are doing this right now, so it's the ideal time to get started with this. And there's two key websites that we're going to be using for this, and the first website that I've got for you guys is called Max Bounty. Now I know a couple of you have had problems with signing up on Max Bounty before, but if you come over to Google and you type in Max Bounty alternatives, there's a lot of alternative websites that offer CPA offers like Max Bounty, Ad Supply, Pop Ads, Switch, Intent Media, ClickBooth, Convert to Media. You can see there's a whole good list, and you can go sign up and use this website, as Max Bounty has become a little bit strict on who they sign up on this website. But once you've created your account, or if you have created your account, come over to Max Bounty and sign in with your account. And once you've signed into your dashboard is going to look like this. So you've got reports, search campaigns, request a campaign. We're going to head over to search campaigns. And when searching for campaigns, I really like to use the single opt-in, which is SOI in this case. So you can see if I type in SOI on the campaign search, single opt-in basically meaning if you lead somebody to a website where they just enter a single opt-in such as their email, you're going to get paid for that. So I'm going to search for the best single opt-in offers on this platform, and you're going to understand how we're going to incorporate this with creating short little video clips. So I'm going to click on search options, and I'm going to select my CPA type as dollar per lead, meaning the best pay per lead. So I like to filter by that, and you can see a whole bunch of offers. You can see win an iPhone 11. So what this is, if somebody signs up with the email on this page, they will enter into like a lucky draw where they can win an iPhone 11, but every single person that you send to that website and signs up with that email, you're going to earn $1.60 per lead. And the one that I'm going to be using, I found right here, this one here, $100 Walmart gift card single opt-in. So I'm going to click on this, and as I say, whenever somebody clicks on this link that you refer to them, they're going to sign up with their email or enter the email with a single opt-in, and you're going to earn $2.50 for that lead. And then from there, the person that you've referred enters a competition where they can win a $100 gift card. It's free for them to sign up, so the chances of people signing up is also very high. And now that we've got our offer, I'm going to come over to a website called wave.video, which is an awesome platform or software that you can use to create these amazing 8 to 10 second clips. Now there's many other alternatives to wave.video, but this is one I'm going to be using in this video, as I really like the interface. It's got a really good interface and way of using it. And what we're going to do is we're going to create these little swipe up videos for that of Instagram or Facebook, where people are going to click on that offer. You're going to make an interesting video that's going to enter here to win a $100 Walmart gift card. I'm going to show you how you're going to incorporate the video with this right now. But first, what you're going to do with these videos is people are going to click on these videos, which is going to lead them to this offer, which essentially every single person that you lead, you're going to get $2.50 per lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my project. So once you're on this website, you can sign up with your email and password. Super easy to sign up. You might not be asked for verification of your password. You're going to click on the create project, click on the little drop down arrow, and you want to make sure that you start from scratch. And you can see this is what your creator dashboard is going to look like by default. You've got your select formats, add videos and images, and your edit button. And you can see the different platforms or resolutions that you can make videos for. So one for YouTube, one for Facebook, so that's the 1:1 square resolution, an Instagram story, which is the 9:16, and also an IGTV story. So in this case, I'm just going to use the Instagram one, as a lot of people are using Instagram. And you can see if you click on the add videos and images section, you've got a ton of different categories with free content. So you can see a whole bunch of, while it's busy loading, you've got a whole access to a whole bunch of different videos, free videos that you can access and make use of, or pictures as well that you can make use of in your video. So what I'm going to do is, since this case we're using Walmart, which has got to do with shopping, I'm going to type in on the search bar, let's go shopping, so we can find any related videos to shopping. So here we can see a whole bunch of people in the street, or looks like a shopping mall, a lady holding a bag. Here's a clip of people walking in a shopping mall. There's also another video here of people walking in a mall. So I do actually like this one. I'm going to make use of this one. So I'm just going to click on add. There we go, plus sign, there we go. And you can see this is what your default is going to look like. So you can edit your message. You've got your video that's going to play. You can zoom in a bit more. You can also zoom out depending on how you want it to look. So I'm just going to keep it at the, so zoom that in a little bit more. So that's full screen. There we go, 178%. And you can edit your message as well. So obviously we don't want this to say your message. We're going to double click on this and edit this message. So I'm just going to go, let's go, do you like to shop? And you can see if you want to change your text color, you've got a whole bunch of different text styles. You've got a couple of blue ones, green ones, orange as well. I like the green one, so I'm just going to stick with the green one. And you can see on the bottom left, you've got another add text section. So I'm going to double click on that and add text. So you can see I've got your message. Let's just edit that again. And then on the second text section, you can see I've got my second text section selected. I'm going to type swipe up or click link in bio to win $100 Walmart gift card. So there we go. You can just leave that as is, and it's a very simple video. Have a look at this if I play it from scratch. So this is now playing in your story. This is what people are going to see, which is pretty cool. So it's fairly simple. It plays. It's very flowy and smoothie. So people, you know, it's a free offer. Gift card, you can say free entry as well, just to entice people, because people love free stuff. It is a free entry. All they do is they enter the email and they enter the competition, and then Max Bounty is going to pay you $2.50 per lead. But like I said, you can also use or create this for Instagram or Facebook. You've got IGTV as well, so you can see this is what the Facebook one will look like, and then a YouTube video as well. So you can also make a couple of different ad variations. You don't have to make one for Walmart as well. You can see if I actually go back, let me go back one again. You can see here there's ones to win an iPhone 11. There's one for an Apple TV, a year of Disney Plus, Popeyes gift cards, Pepsi, Pringles, Rockstar, win a $300 Aldi gift card. So there's so many different offers and short little videos that you can create for these offers and post on social media. And I've also got a pretty cool Facebook ad strategy. So if you guys don't know how to create a Facebook ad strategy, go to my previous video on this one, and there is a timestamp in my previous video on how you can create a Facebook ad. But to get started with that, you can go to Facebook/ads manager, and it's super easy to create an ad. You can see here, if I wait for this to load, you've got a you can create a campaign here, and it's super easy to upload pictures into your text and your link to this offer as well. But the Facebook ad strategy that I want to show you guys is pretty cool. So what you can do is you can create 3 ad sets at a time with separate single interests. So for example, the Walmart gift card will be one ad, the iPhone 11 will be another ad, and let's say the Rockstar and Monster Energy combo will also be another ad. So you can run 3 separate ads at the same time with single separate interests. You can have 5 images per ad set as well, and you can run this for 3 days. And what you can more or less pay for these ads, if you go back to the actual offer. So I'm going to go to the Walmart gift card one again, and you can see they are paying me $2.50 per lead. So what you can do for this Facebook ad offer is you can go to Facebook and pay $2.50 per day and run it for 3 days, so that you need one sale, just one person to click, and you're going to get between about 800 and 1,500 people viewing that ad. You just need one person to make your money back. And if it's profitable, scale, upload more images, upload on separate platforms, run your ads even bigger so you can pay more money to run more ads. If it's not profitable, test other offers or any other products on Max Bounty. But this is the strategy that I have for you guys today. I think this is an awesome one, and I think the earning potential is really good, and it's not a very common strategy. Not a lot of people are doing this, so this is the ideal time to get into this. But if you enjoyed this or need help with this, or if there's anything you're unsure about, comment down below and I'll help you out. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.